because as you know, sensitive skin, you cannot just use anything on your face. There are some soaps that will damage your skin, that will be too harsh on your skin if you. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. On this channel, we're all about skincare, beauty tips, wellness and self-development. So if this sounds like topics you want to keep on hearing, this sounds interesting to you, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel for free, and also make sure you turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. All right, also feel free to go over to my channel to watch other videos on my channel, and I promise you're going to love the experience. Like, those videos are very good, very beneficial and important if you're starting out your skincare journey. All right, so now in today's video we're going to be looking at facial soaps. Like, you guys asked me to review some effective brightening facial soaps that I've tried, and I'm sorry, like, I've really been procrastinating about making that video. I don't even know why, but I'm really sorry. I just need to apologize. Like, I'm sorry that this video is not coming out as soon as I promised. All right, but I finally had time to sit down to make this video because, like they say, better late than never, right? So in this video we're going to be looking at brightening facial soaps for all skin types, for a glowing and radiant skin. Also, if you have sensitive skin, there are some facial soaps I'll be mentioning in this video that are very good, very suitable for sensitive skin, because as you know, sensitive skin, you cannot just use anything on your face. There are some soaps that will damage your skin, that will be too harsh on your skin if you use, but if you stick around to the end, you're going to really pick one or two soaps to use from this video, right? Another skin type as well, please sit down and enjoy this video. So these soaps are actually soaps that I've tried, and some of them are also soaps that I've heard people use and share their experience with me. All right, so no need to worry, just sit back, relax, get your popcorn, your pen and paper, and let's dive right into it. Now, the first soap on my list for you guys for brightening is the Bravaria glutathione lightening herbal soap. Now guys, this soap is very effective for skin brightening and for sensitive skin. All right, this is a soap that I've tried and I love this. Like, it contains glutathione. You all know glutathione, number one natural skin brightening and skin lightening ingredients. Like, once a product contains glutathione, you know, I'll be so eager to try it out or eager to review it to you guys, right? So it contains glutathione, and that was why I was attracted to it at first. I know, right? So this soap comes in a white round shape, and it's quite big, like quite heavy. It's going to last you for up to 3 to 4 months. Yes, because I remember when I used it then, it lasted with me for like 4 months, because I was just using it on my face alone. I think 4 months, yeah, 4 months, yes. But that is if you are using it for your face alone. Because I said this because this soap is actually a face and body soap. All right, so you can use it on your body and your face, so you don't expect it to last that long if you're going to be using it on your face and your body, right? So take note of that. Now let's just move over to what this soap does. All right, so this soap brightens the skin. Yeah, no cap, not really lightens the skin, but yeah, you're going to see difference in your skin. It's going to give you a clearer skin. It also helps to brighten dark spots, dark marks. Like, if you're the type that has such discoloration or hyperpigmentation, dark marks, acne marks, this soap will help correct it. Like, it's going to help maintain and help fade it out over time. So this soap also nourishes the skin because it contains natural herbal ingredients that I'll be mentioning very soon. So apart from it nourishing the skin, it also glows the skin and mildly exfoliates the skin. Yes, I know, right? It helps to mildly sludge up the skin cells of your skin. It contains moisturizing ingredients like coconut oil, glycerin, palm oil, then including glutathione and mahad extract. Now, I know this mahad extract might be strange to you, so in case you don't know what mahad extract means, so mahad extract is like a natural extract or herbal extract that has some antioxidant effects or antioxidant properties in it. It protects your skin from free radicals and provide lightening effect on your skin, and this is because it inhibits tyrosine enzymes, which is responsible for melanin production. So this is just a natural herbal extract for skin lightening, which is very good. So combining this with glutathione makes this Bravaria glutathione soap to be a very effective natural skin brightening soap for all skin type, especially sensitive skin, because it is very mild on the skin. Now moving on to the second facial soap I'll be reviewing with you guys, and that one is the goat milk soap. Now, I know there are lots of goat milk soap out there. In fact, I think I've reviewed some goat milk soap on this channel. So yes, there are lots of goat milk bar soap out there from different brands, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be sticking with this goat milk bar soap from Skin Doctor. All right, so I'm sticking to this because this is the one I've tried. All right, but basically what I'm going to be saying, the review I'm going to be giving you concerning this goat milk bar soap from Skin Doctor should apply to all goat milk soaps from all brands, because majorly, most times, all these goat milk soaps contain the same ingredient. Like, they don't contain too much ingredient itself. It doesn't contain lots of ingredients, which makes it very, very suitable for sensitive skin. Sensitive skin doesn't need much on their skin, all right? So that is why I'm including this goat milk soap on the list. It doesn't contain too much ingredients in them. The major ingredient is goat milk, then with some moisturizing ingredient like glycerin, honey, glycerin based soap. All right, so this goat milk bar soap is an anti-wrinkles, anti-aging natural based soap. Contains goat milk, like I said earlier, aloe vera and glycerin. Can you see now? I already said earlier that most of this goat milk soap always contain goat milk and some moisturizing ingredients. That's all. So this one contains goat milk, aloe vera and glycerin for moisture, hydration. So this soap helps to repair the skin, moisturize the skin, nourish the skin. It also helps to brighten up your skin, like I said earlier. But please note that this is not a lightening soap. It's not going to lighten your skin. But if you are light skin, like your fair skin, yes, it's going to brighten up your skin the more. Even a dark skin person can use this goat milk soap, because like I said, it's not a lightening soap. All right, it just helps to brighten up your skin complexion. So depending on your present shade, right, that will determine the kind of result you get. All right, so it's just a normal brightening soap for all skin type, for all skin complexion. Another thing I love about this goat milk soap is the fact that it mildly exfoliates the skin, and this is because goat milk contains lactic acid, which is a form of exfoliant. So this soap will help to mildly or gently exfoliate your face. So if you are the type that you're on a budget, you cannot really afford a chemical exfoliant for your face, because yes, please, we don't use physical scrubs on our face here on this channel. No, we don't use it on this channel. So if you're on a budget, you cannot really afford to get a chemical exfoliating toner for your face, then this goat milk face soap will actually help to mildly exfoliate your skin and make other skincare products to penetrate deeper into your skin. As this soap is mildly exfoliating your skin, it's shutting off those dead skin cells and revealing a more brighter skin complexion, if you get what I mean. Another effective and amazing facial soap I would love you guys to try out is the rice milk facial soap. Like, if I show you the picture of this rice milk soap, you would think it's goat milk soap. I'll put the picture on the screen right here. So just like the goat milk soap, rice milk also have different variants, like from different brands. Just get yourself rice milk soap. All right, so just like this goat milk soap, I will just be telling you guys the benefits of rice milk soap, so that would help you make an informed decision of whether to get rice milk facial soap or not. But trust me, just get any brand, like any brand of your choice. Probably I will try to even leave some pictures of rice milk soap from different brands on the screen. Same with goat milk, I'll try to leave pictures of some goat milk from different brands on the screen, so that you guys can just have an idea of what to expect when you get to the market. All right, so now rice milk. So rice milk is a natural brightening or lightening ingredient that helps to brighten up the skin. Please, if you have sensitive skin, hey, I'm saying it again, if you have sensitive skin, is that you get the goat milk soap or you get the rice milk soap. They are very, very suitable for sensitive skin. All right, so it helps to this rice milk helps to brighten up the skin, give you a clearer skin. Also can be used by dark skin, fair skin, caramel skin. Any skin complexion can use this rice milk face soap. So it gives a natural brightening, lightening and revitalizing effect on the skin. It also helps with anti-aging, anti-wrinkles. Yes, I know you might have heard about rice being an anti-aging product, right? Yes. So this soap will help with anti-aging, anti-wrinkles. So if you are the type that have fine lines, wrinkles on your face, or you just notice any form of aging signs on your skin, on your face, you notice that your face is not smooth, is wrinkled up, please just try getting rice milk face soap. Like, very, very effective for that. Rice milk also helps with hyperpigmentation. Like, if you have discoloration, dark spots, acne marks, rice soap will help. Please, I'm not saying that rice soap will help to lighten up your dark spot, all right, but I'm just saying if you have any form of discoloration or hyperpigmentation, if you don't have an even skin tone on your face, just try using rice milk face soap and you'll see the difference. Rice milk also have some moisturizing and hydrating properties, and they help to control excess oil secretion, or which is responsible for our acne, all right. So it helps to reduce excess sebum production on your face, which is quite good, especially if you have acne prone skin, right? So it is very, very effective for that. Now, when you pair rice milk with honey, it has a calming effect on the skin, and that is why we always recommend people that are dealing with sunburn to go for rice milk soap. Like, it has a way of calming down your skin, especially when there's honey in that soap as well, in the formula. So our advice, if you have sunburn, our advice, you go for a rice milk soap that also contains honey. Like, it works like magic, I'm serious. So it just helps to calm down area, gives you this soothing feeling, this soothing effect on your face. This soap will also be very, very good for acne prone and sensitive skin, like I said earlier, because it provides some anti-inflammatory properties. Yes, so if you have acne prone skin, yes, you can also use this rice mix soap. Now, the last soap I'll be reviewing with you guys is the Herbal Beauty Herbal soap. So guys, this soap is also a brightening face soap for all skin type, all skin complexion, all right, but I really would not recommend this if you have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, just go for goat milk soap or rice milk soap, all right. So this one also comes in a round orange like pack. Actually has different variants, but this is the one I've tried, the one in the orange. It has different variants. It has turmeric, it has orange, it has aloe vera or cucumber range. It has different range, all right. And it also comes in a round shape, and the size is also as big as that Bravaria glutathione soap I mentioned at first, all right. So this soap is also very, very good. This is what I've tried. This is a soap that I've tried, and I actually love the results on my skin. It also helps to smoothen the face. Like, you have a rough skin, and you don't have a sensitive skin, you can use this soap. Like, it helps to really, really smoothen your face and also brightens the skin. Yes, it brightens the skin and gives you a clearer skin. This soap is actually formulated with citrus, vitamin C, and glutathione, which simply helps to repair the skin, brighten your skin, revitalize the skin, also help to reduce acne, wrinkles, dark spots. Yes, I forgot to mention, it also helps to manage your dark spots. So if you are the type that do have dark spots or any form of discoloration at all, this soap helps with that. It helps to fade out those dark spots when used consistently over time. And this one also lasts for quite a while because it's very big. Like, it's heavy, just like the first soap I mentioned, the Bravaria soap. It is heavy, very, very big, will last for quite a while. But the goat milk soap and the rice milk soap is not that big, all right. So those ones will just last you for, I think, 2 months. Yeah, I think 2 months, depending on how you use it. So just try out any of these soaps. These are soaps that are very, very effective, tested and trusted. They are soaps that I've tried, all right. So feel free to also leave in the comment section if you've tried any of these soaps and what was the result like on your skin. Give us the review. Also, if you have other facial soaps that you've tried that really worked well on your skin, on your face, please feel free to share them in the comment section as well, all right. I really hope this video was helpful. If you end up enjoying this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up by liking it. Just click on that like button so that YouTube can share this video to other people as well, so that it can be beneficial to other people. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you, I'm not even doing shakara, please just click that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel. It's free of charge. YouTube tells me that majority of people that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Why? Biko, please just click on that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel for free, so that you don't miss any videos coming up on my channel. You never can tell, it might be something you really need that I would really discuss in that video, right? But if you're not subscribed to my channel, YouTube may not bring that video to you, right? So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video, right? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.